Hello everyone, my name is Shahin Alam. I am here today to show you one of my small project which I built for one of my client. Very small project. It's only create invoice for their companies. Let's show you how it works. Now first I need to register or login. I have my own account so I can log in. This is small CSS. No worry about it. Let's log in. This is the main page, dashboard. We can see here how many invoices I have, or how many customer I have created before. If I click more info, it will take me to the invoice pages or customer page. First I want to create a customer. I can click here, or there is a customer tab, so I can click here also. So let create a customer. Let me give a name, customer name, rule, .com, a contact, this kind of phone number and this kind of address. So let's create the customer. Now we will create an invoice. Let's go to the invoice tab. This is the invoice. I have created an invoice before. I'll create a new now. Let's create a new invoice. This is the invoice form. I'll select the customer I have created before. Come rule. When I select the customer, this field ship to, where we will ship the product, and customer phone email and customer phone, quotation date and delivery date. This is today's date. They will populate it when I select the customer. Then I'll provide a payment method like cash. I'll select currency, which I'll select USD now. I'll give a shipping cost. uh, let's give 500 shipping cost. When I provide shipping cost, it will add it to the shipping cost, also to the total. Then you can see that price in word automatically populated 500. Now let's add a client, not client, let's add a product. We do not have a product table, so that we have to add product from here. So let's uh, add one a name laptop. Let's provide description. This is a laptop. A red laptop. How much unit we need? 10 piece, and price 20,000, I guess. So this calculation, I think this is correct. Let's add another product, 1B. Let's provide it a mobile, and this is mobile. We need 20 pieces, price 10,000. Here there is an option. Mm, that was the client's requirement, that he want some product to be disabled, that would not be counted as a total price. So I want to show you that I will select this checkbox and the required unit will be here, but the price will be 0. The client do not want to add those price with this product. Okay, let me add another product uh, to mask. I need 1005. So I want to disable 1B. The required unit is here, unit price is here, but not total, because the client do not want to add this price with that 2. In total 20 lakhs 500. Okay, 5500. Let's enter note. My English is so bad, but also please don't mind. Let's save this. I guess the invoice has been saved successfully. Now I will show you the invoice. This is the invoice. Customer name Amrul, ship to Gulshan Dhaka, quotation date, delivery date, and the quotation number, I mean invoice number. Let's see the invoice. Item 1A, 2 and 1B. A mobile, mask, laptop 20, 10 and 10. Let's see 1B, the mobile required unit. There is no total. So we have selected as a payment cash and shipping. We have selected dollars, US dollar. So here there is it shows dollar sign, and in word 20 lakhs 5,500 dollars. So authorized by, who authorized this invoice, and this is the um, uh, authenticated user who log in. Okay, so this is the invoice. I have created one of my um, client. This is a small project, but I think the beginners can learn many things from this project, like CRUD applications, some basic stuff about invoice and basic calculations, how JavaScript, how we can calculate values in JavaScript, and how to make a invoice. So I want to make tutorial based on this project for the beginners level developers. So if I get responses about it, I will started building this project, uploading this tutorial on my YouTube channel. Please guys, let me know if you like to build, if you like to make my tutorial, if you like me to make my tutorial and provide on YouTube, so that you can watch and learn something. It may be tiny, but it will be helpful, I think. So please let me know on this comment, and thank you guys. My English is not so well, but I'll make sure that I provide my best effort to build this tutorial if you want. uh, okay, thank